In this video we are going to learn how can we calculate the valence electrons of any element. So we have three elements here: lithium, oxygen and magnesium. At this video we are going to learn how to calculate the valence electrons. As we learned before on the previous video, how to write down the electron configuration. This is the electron configuration of the lithium-3. How to calculate the valence electrons. So basically we are going to calculate the electrons that exist on the highest number. What is the highest number? The highest number here is 2. This 2 represents what? It represents the energy level. So the energy level here, the highest energy level is 1 or 2. Basically it's 2. How many electrons the 2 is hold? It holds only 1. So how many valence electrons here we have? We have only one valence electron. So this is the valence electrons of the lithium. Let's try to apply the same thing for the oxygen 8. What is the highest energy level here? It is 2. But here we have 2s and 2p. So at this case we are going to do what? We are going to add the electrons that exist in both of them. So here we have 2 plus 4 equal 6. So we have 6 valence electrons for the oxygen 8. So the valence electrons are basically the electrons that exist in the highest energy level. So what is the highest energy level here? It's the second energy level. So let's try to apply the same thing for the magnesium 12. So the electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and finally we have 3s2. What is the highest number here? The highest number is 3. 3 has how many electrons above? So we have 2. So this 2 is the total valence electrons. So now we have 2 valence electrons. Try to do the electron configuration for the following element and find out how many valence electrons we have. Pause this video and try to solve it at home. After pausing the video, let's try to solve it together. So let's do the electron configuration first, as we learned on the previous video. So the electron configuration of nitrogen 7 is and these are the 7 electrons of nitrogen. So now let's count the valence electrons. As we learned, what is the highest energy level here? The highest energy level is 2. 2 has 2s and 2p. So we need to do what? We need to add the electrons of 2s and 2p. So the electrons here are 2 plus 3 equal 5. So we have 5 valence electrons. So let's try to calculate the valence electrons of chlorine 17. So start with the electron configuration. 1s2, 2s2, now we filled 4, so 2b6. 2 plus 2 equal 4 plus 6 equal 10 out of 17. So we need to fill 7 more electrons. So the next room will be 3s2. Then 2 plus 2 equal 4 plus 6 equal 10 plus 2 equal 12. So still 5 more. So the next room, which is 3b, can hold the 5 electrons. And now let's calculate how many valence electrons we have. So 3s2 and 3p5. Because they are in the same energy level, so we are going to add them together. So 2 plus 5 equal 7 valence electrons. And these are the valence electrons of the chlorine 17. What about the beryllium 4? So the electron configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, and now we filled the 4 electrons. So which one of them is the highest energy level? Basically it is 2s2. How many electrons the 2s can hold? It can hold 2 electrons, and these are the 2 valence electrons 2 valence electrons of the beryllium 4. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel to get more videos about chemistry. See you next video.